Hola amigos, bienvenidos, and welcome to Money Penny Fitness, where fitness, fun, and food are always center stage. If you want to implement these things into your world, then please make sure you smash that subscribe button and rock the notification bell. If you recall, and hopefully you've tried it, we did a beginner level ab workout where we were focusing on our core. As we spoke about before, our core consists of our abdominals, upper, lower, obliques, as well as the lower back muscles. In this workout today, what I would like to do is introduce a few extra workouts to what we've already done. The first 3 workouts that we're going to do during this session are workouts that we did in the last session, but we're going to add a little something to them. You're gonna see how that is going to add and build your ab workout even further. So I don't wanna waste a lot of time. I wanna go ahead and get this workout started. So the first exercise that we're going to do, as you recall, we did the laying legs down hold. So we're going to do that, but this time, now that you've got the form down, and you know your hands go under your glutes, your feet go straight out about 6 to 8 inches above the floor, and always keeping your core locked and tight. So we're gonna build on that, and what we're gonna do this time is from this position, raise one leg, bring it down to meet the other, raise the other. So we're gonna alternate. Now we're gonna do this for 45 seconds. So I'll go ahead and set the timer, and we're gonna get this workout started. 45 seconds starting now. Be sure to bring your legs up as high as you can. Pull your neck forward, looking down at your ankles. Keep your back, your spine along the floor. Try not to arch your back. And keep your belly button, your tummy sucked in. Looking great. 45 seconds, there we go. The next exercise that we're gonna do is the switching mountain climbers. So the mountain climbers that we did before, you brought your knee to so you would bring your right knee to your right elbow, your left knee to your left elbow. What we're gonna do now is opposite knee to elbow. So right knee to left elbow, left knee to right elbow. And we're gonna do that for 45 seconds, starting now. And just don't go as fast as you can. If you can comfortably keep a decent speed, great. If you need to slow down, make sure you do. Take care of yourself. You've got time to work up to this. But keep alternating because you're working those lower abdominals as well as your obliques. Okay, 45 seconds for that. That felt pretty good, right? Taking a 15-second breather in between each exercise. Don't try to run them directly back to back. You don't have to do everything so close together. If you need to stop, get a drink, take a breather, definitely do that. But if you can keep going, let's keep this rocking. So the next exercise is the plank knees to elbows. And what we're gonna do this time, instead of counting 15 on the left and 15 on the right, this time for 45 seconds, we're alternating back and forth, okay? So get ready. I told you we're gonna keep stepping it up. If you haven't been practicing the last one, get on it because you gotta condition yourself
to get to this next level. All right, so let's get in position. Make sure you've got your fingertips and your hands firmly on the ground or on your mat. And we're gonna go ahead and start 45 seconds now. Kind of feel like Spider-Man. And really crunch your side. Don't go so fast that you don't complete your needed elbow motion. Introduce the side plank into this workout. And the side plank, you're going to be up on your elbow, shoulder over your elbow, elbow in line with your wrist, fingers pressing into the floor for stabilization. Your body's going to be straight out and your hip is going to be in the air, and we're going to hold this. You can keep your hand to your side. You can hang on to your hip. Advanced motion will go here. But for now, let's do this one. So we're gonna hold that for 45 seconds on our right, and then we're gonna do 45 seconds on the left. 45-second side plank, starting now. And just try to have your feet stacked on top of one another, while your outer foot stacked on top of the inner one. And again, shoulder over your elbow, elbow in line with your wrist. And just hold this position. Hold strong, don't drop your hips. Stay out, plank out. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ah, that felt great. Switch to the other side. Make sure you're properly aligned. And we're going to start 45 seconds. Opposite side plank. Get your feet in position. Starting now. Just make sure your shoulder stays aligned with that elbow. Make sure your fingers are also pressing down to provide you some support. Keep your knees locked. Five, 4, 3, 2, and 1. So the last exercise that we're gonna do is one of my favorites. This is the hip raises, and what we're gonna do, I'll show you the regular hip raise, but we're gonna do a hip raise with a twist. So what that's gonna look like is kind of like the laying legs down hold, except our hands are not gonna be under our glutes. They're gonna be behind your head, okay? So then you're gonna bring your knees up and twist. Legs back down, knees up, twist to the opposite side. So we're gonna alternate and lift. And we're gonna do that for 45 seconds. 45 seconds on the timer. Let's get ready. And starting now. And go ahead and try to bring your elbows up to your knee, because that's going to help you get a tighter crunch. This is gonna work your lower abdominals as well as your obliques. Don't forget to take your legs down. Okay. All right, that's it. So that was our next level ab workout. Let me know what you think about it. Hopefully you've been taking my advice as far as eating habits, leaning down your diet, as well as working on these abdominal routines, which is gonna help you with balance as well as strengthening your core and your muscles. These exercises are going to get you ready for the next level. So if you wanna keep going up levels with me, please do this workout. Get comfortable with it because I've got another one coming at you. This was a lot of fun. I hope you guys had fun. I broke a little bit of a sweat. Hopefully you did too. This was a great workout. I hope you continue to do it. I don't recommend stopping there. I do recommend doing another 2 to 3 sets of this same workout. That's gonna hardcore get you ready, get you conditioned so you can step up your game. Leaning down because you definitely want to be able to uncover those abdominals. And I'm going to introduce some more challenging workouts to keep things interesting. I like to mix it up, so we'll see what kind of workouts we get next time. I love getting sweated out with you. Let's do this again. See you later. Bye.